After leaving Prince George, I continued east towards Alberta. On the way, I hit a pothole and broke one of the spokes on my back wheel. I fixed it with some stainless steel wire, and I was good to go. While I was straightening my back tire, apparently a bear was coming up behind me. Thankfully, a family in a car came and chased off the bear. They gave me the video. Next, I stopped at the ancient forest, where they have some beautiful old-growth cedar trees. It's the most inland temperate rainforest in the world, and it has some cedar trees up to 2,000 years old. I camped in this beautiful field under this underpass, and then continued towards Alberta. British Columbia wilderness is so beautiful. I ended up seeing 13 bears while crossing the north. The small town of McBride was so nice, and there was really great people. I stopped at Rearguard Falls, which marks the easternmost point of the Pacific salmon migration. Pretty incredible. I'd been to Mount Robson Provincial Park before, but the views are so amazing I was happy to return. I see you, Mr. Bear. After entering Alberta, I went to Jasper National Park, which has phenomenal geology and tons of wildlife. This spring was pretty cool because it was cold, but it had a lot of sulfur coming out of it. While I checked it out, the goats from above were knocking rocks onto me. I also went to the Niet Hot Springs, where the water comes out at 56 degrees Celsius. I checked out the ruins of the old pool, and then of course went to the new facilities. I forgot to take a picture, but I met this amazing lady named Diana, who gave me energy bars, gummies, half of her pizza, and a rear bike light for my bicycle. Just after leaving Jasper Park, this crazy storm came over. It was wild. Eventually I got to Edmonton and I visited my aunt, uncle, and cousins. We played games and hung out. It was wonderful.